Here's how to undo Tinder likes without code. Open Tinder on your browser and navigate to the page where your likes are blurred. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Once there, switch to the Console tab. Copy and paste the provided line of code into the console. Press Enter to execute the code. Wait for the process to complete and the blurred likes may become visible. Basically, the script fetches data about blurred profiles using the Tinder's API. It extracts the actual profile picture URLs from the API response, and it replaces the blurred images with the real profile pictures by updating the CSS of the containers. The function runs repeatedly to handle any updates or changes on the page. Keep in mind that these methods may violate Tinder's terms of service and could result in account suspension. Always proceed with caution.